think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads by a lot. Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
The primitive forms of artificial intelligence we already had proved very useful. But I think the development of full artificial intelligence could spell the end of the human race.
Google doesn't want to allow that to be run. In fact, they have hard-coded into the system that it can't pass the Turing test.
I try to convince people to slow down AI, to regulate AI. This was futile. I tried for years.
Elon Musk has been warning us about the dangers of AI, but in reality, he's the one who is behind some of the biggest advancements. As new advancement happen, concerns about its fair use is only rising. It's essential to develop it in an ethical and responsible manner. The use of AI has far-reaching consequences and must be guided by a set of principles to ensure that its impact is positive for society. In this video, we will understand what is ethical and responsible AI and dive into those terms. Ethical AI refers to the development and deployment of artificial intelligence systems and technologies in a manner that aligns with ethical and moral principles. This includes ensuring that AI systems respect human rights, such as privacy and fairness, and do not cause harm to people or society. Ethical AI also involves considering the broader social and economic implications of AI and designing systems in a way that takes these into account. The goal of ethical AI is to create technology that enhances and augments human capabilities while promoting the well-being of individuals and society as a whole. Some of the pillars of ethical AI includes privacy, fairness, responsibility, robustness, transparency, and governance.
Data can be bad because it's not been properly labeled, because it's inaccurate, because it has baked into it certain human biases that are naturally a part of society.
One clear example of data bias is the use of algorithms to make decisions about the fate of prisoners.
If you have enough data points, you should be able to judge a person's likelihood of reoffending. Well, the problem is,
if there is bias hidden in the data, your outcome in the judicial system may be very different than someone who's upper middle class and white.
Why is it projecting higher risk scores onto Black defendants? It often turns out that the algorithm itself isn't feeding on any data that's explicitly labeled in terms of race.
AI systems should be transparent in their decision-making processes, algorithms, and data sources, so that their results can be easily understood and evaluated. The goal of explainable AI is to build AI models that can explain their reasoning to humans, rather than being seen as a black box, where inputs go in and outputs come out without any insight into how decisions were made. This is important for gaining trust and accountability in AI systems, especially in high-stakes applications such as healthcare, finance, and legal systems. Robustness in AI refers to the ability of an artificial intelligence system to continue to function as intended even in the presence of unexpected situations or variations in the data it processes. A robust AI system is one that is able to effectively handle unexpected inputs, changes in its operating conditions, or other factors that may affect its performance. Robustness in AI can be achieved through a combination of technical solutions, such as the use of diverse training data and the design of algorithms that can effectively handle uncertainty, as well as through the incorporation of ethical principles and the consideration of the potential consequences of AI technology.
We have to think through what it means to detect bias, make our systems more fair, to detect errors and blind spots in our technologies, and on thinking through the kinds of advice we give to other organizations and to our leaders where technology can impose on privacy and human rights. Responsibility is at the core. We're learning every day about this new role of responsible computing.
Speaker, I stand here today because I am planning to reintroduce the United States-Israel Artificial Intelligence Center Act, a bipartisan piece of legislation that will cement a mutually beneficial partnership between the United States and Israel on artificial intelligence research. This is a critical step forward in an era where AI and its implications are taking center stage in public discourse. We must collaborate with international partners like the Israeli government to ensure that the United States maintains a leadership role in AI research and development and responsibly explores the many possibilities evolving technologies provide.
And that's a wrap on our video on responsible AI. I hope you now have a better understanding of what ethical AI is and why it's important. As AI continues to play a larger role in our lives, it's important that we work together to ensure its development and use is governed by strong ethical principles and that individuals and organizations are held accountable for the outcomes of their technology. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep advocating for responsible AI.